Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1999 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the starter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a 1/2 inch pipe I use to extend my 3/8 ratchet for leverage. 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, another 3/8 extension, 14mm socket, 12mm socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, door panel remover, cup type oil filter wrench, anti-seize, dielectric grease, battery terminal cleaner. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a Denso brand starter. Okay, first we're going to be disconnecting the negative side of the battery terminal. Okay, so now I'm going to be removing my air intake and the air filter assembly. Okay, the starter bolt, the top bolt is under here. So use a 14mm socket to unscrew that bolt. So we're under the vehicle. I remove the passenger side, that plastic shield, so it's a lot easier to film. So I'm going to be removing my oil filter. So I'm going to be unplugging the wire that goes to the oil pressure switch. So I'm going to be disconnecting my battery wire that goes to the starter. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this starter wire, the small wire. So I'm going to be removing this bolt. So I'm gonna be installing the new starter. Okay, so now we're gonna be bolting it up. Okay, I'm gonna be putting some anti-seize around my bolt. Okay, so now we're gonna put on the top bolt. So I'm gonna be putting some more anti-seize on my bolt. Okay, putting my bolt on. Okay, so I'm gonna be tightening it up. So I'm gonna be tightening up this bottom bolt. So I'm gonna be connecting my starter wires. On this one, I'm gonna be putting some dielectric grease. Connecting the main battery wire. Tightening it up. Connecting my wire for the oil pressure switch. Put in a little dielectric grease. Okay, so I'm gonna be screwing my oil filter back on. Tightening it up. So I'm gonna be putting back that plastic shield. So we're gonna be putting back the air cleaner. So I'm going to be cleaning my battery terminal. Tightening it up. Okay, so now we're going to start up the vehicle. So I'm going to start it up. Okay, good to go. So that's how you replace a starter. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.